Question number 19. A wire is fixed at one end and extended by a force that is applied to the other end. Okay, the force is slowly increased from 0. Force is slowly increased from 0 and then slowly decreased back to 0. So you increase it, you decrease it. Okay, the force extension graph is shown. See, this tells you that the force is increasing and this arrow tells you force is decreasing. Okay, the graph line for the wire being loaded is the same as the graph line for the wire being unloaded. It means when you added the weight, what was the extension you observed? When you remove the weight, what was the extension you observed? Both of them were overlapping with each other. Okay, same extension, same contraction was observed for when you apply the force and when you remove the force. Which statement describes the deformation of the force? See, when things like this happens, what can you say? It is perfectly obeying Hooke's law. Okay. Now, it is both elastic and plastic. Is it both elastic and plastic? No. See, if it is only elastic, what does it mean? It obeys Hooke's law. If it is only plastic, it means it does not obey Hooke's law. If it is both elastic and plastic, what will happen? It will obey Hooke's law, but at the same time, when you remove the load, it will not come back to its original point. Okay, so therefore, it is not plastic. So it is following the same trajectory here. So therefore, it's only elastic in nature. So this B is the right answer. All the other options are incorrect.